Is this the most reliable European diesel engine ever built? The 2.0 HDI has powered everything from Peugeots and Citroëns to even some Fords and Kias, proving itself as one of the toughest and most efficient engines of all time. But what made it so special? From common rail injection to award-winning cars, here are 38 fascinating facts about the legendary 2.0 HDI engine. If you love engines and great car stories, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into automotive legends. The 2.0 HDI engine doesn't just refine diesel technology, it transformed it. At the heart of this transformation was common rail direct injection, an innovation that replaced old mechanical fuel injection with electronically controlled injectors fed by a high-pressure fuel reservoir. This setup allowed for precise fuel delivery, optimizing combustion, power, and efficiency while significantly reducing emissions. The result? A diesel engine that combined performance with economy, making the 2.0 HDI a global success. But who built the 2.0 HDI? Behind the 2.0 HDI was an industry-leading partnership between PSA, Peugeot, Citroën, and Ford Motor Company. This collaboration ensured that the engine met strict emissions and performance standards while keeping development costs in check. This led to a versatile diesel powerhouse that appeared in various models across both brands. PSA badged it HDI, while Ford marketed its versions as Duratorq TDCi. Despite the branding differences, the engineering remained largely the same, proving the strength of their joint development. Now, the legendary 2.0 HDI engine isn't just a product of one factory. It's built across multiple high-tech production plants in Europe. In France, PSA, Peugeot, Citroën assembles these engines in Trémery and Douvrin, two facilities known for their precision engineering. Over in the UK, Ford manufactures its versions at the Dagenham plant, a historic site famous for diesel engine production. Even Volvo had a hand in its assembly, proving just how widespread and trusted this engine became. With rising fuel prices and tougher emission laws, diesel engines needed to evolve. The 2.0 HDI tackled those challenges head-on with its efficient combustion chamber design, common rail injection, and advanced engine management software. This made the 2.0 HDI compliant with strict Euro emission standards, reinforcing its reputation as an economical yet environmentally responsible engine. Now, older diesel engines had a reputation for noise, vibration, and harshness. But the 2.0 HDI changed that. Thanks to its advanced fuel injection system, it delivered smoother, quieter power with minimal vibrations. Engineers even optimized engine mounts and sound insulation, making diesel cars feel as refined as their petrol counterparts. But not all 2.0 HDI engines were built the same. Some versions featured a 16-valve cylinder head, meaning each cylinder had 2 intake and 2 exhaust valves. This improved airflow, leading to better combustion, increased efficiency, and stronger performance, especially at higher speeds. And the later 16-valve versions of the 2.0 HDI engine often came with a dual-mass flywheel or DMF, a clever component designed to reduce vibrations and noise, making for a smoother, quieter ride. It works by absorbing engine oscillations before they reach the gearbox. However, when a DMF starts to fail, you'll notice increased vibrations at idle and possibly rusty iron particles around the engine. Replacing it isn't a quick fix. It can take around 10 hours of labor, and if you're swapping it out, it's best to replace the clutch and save cylinder at the same time. The 2.0 HDI engine stood out for its versatile power outputs, targeting a wide range of drivers. The 90 horsepower version prioritized fuel efficiency, making it perfect for economy-conscious users. The 110 horsepower and 120 horsepower variants struck a balance between power and efficiency, ideal for everyday driving. Meanwhile, the 136 horsepower version delivered the most thrilling performance. offering stronger acceleration and better highway capability. For those seeking an extra boost, this top-tier variant provided a 25% power increase over lower output models, all while maintaining impressive fuel economy. If you're loving this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more engine breakdowns. One of the key strengths of the 2.0 HDI engine is its impressive torque output, which varies depending on the specific version. Torque is what gives a car its pulling power. It's the force that gets you moving and keeps you going, especially when hauling loads or overtaking on the highway. Different versions of the 2.0 HDI engine deliver torque figures ranging from 205 nanometers to 340 nanometers, making this engine suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from compact cars to larger sedans and SUVs. What if you could get maximum pulling power without revving the engine to its limits? One of the biggest advantages of this diesel engine is that some versions deliver peak torque at just 2,000 RPM. In simple terms, this means that you don't have to rev the engine too high to get maximum pulling power. Unlike many petrol engines that require higher RPMs for strong acceleration, this diesel unit delivers instant response with minimal effort. It also makes hill climbing smoother, reducing the need to push the engine hard. Some configurations of the 2.0 HDI engine produces 130 PS at 3,500 RPM, which strikes a great balance between performance and fuel efficiency. The fact that the engine reaches its maximum power output at 3,500 RPM means that it doesn't need to be revved aggressively to deliver strong acceleration. For everyday driving, this means smooth power delivery, whether you're merging onto highways or carrying a full load of passengers and cargo. It provides enough power to make the car feel lively and responsive without sacrificing the legendary fuel economy that diesel engines are known for. Some versions of the 2.0 HDI take things a step further, delivering a peak torque of 350 nanometers between 1750 and 2250 RPM. This wide torque band means that strong pulling power is available across a broader range of engine speeds, making the car feel more flexible and responsive. With this kind of torque curve, you get strong acceleration without constant gear changes. At its core, the 2.0 HDI engine has a displacement of 1997 cc, which translates to about 122 cubic inches. Displacement refers to the total volume of all the cylinders in the engine, and it plays a major role in determining power output and fuel efficiency. A 2.0-liter engine is a sweet spot in the automotive world. It's large enough to provide strong performance, yet compact enough to ensure good fuel economy. That's why you'll find this engine in everything from small family cars to larger sedans and even commercial vehicles. The size of this engine makes it ideal for daily driving, long road trips, and even occasional heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're driving for an engine with great fuel efficiency or one that can handle spirited driving, the 2.0 HDI delivers on all fronts. The 2.0 HDI engine features a bore of 85mm and a stroke of 88mm, which tells us a lot about its personality. The bore refers to the diameter of the cylinders, while the stroke measures how far the piston moves up and down. With the stroke slightly longer than the bore, this engine falls into the long stroke category, a design commonly found in diesel engines. Why does this matter? A longer stroke means the engine produces more torque at lower RPMs, which is exactly what diesel engines are known for. This allows for strong pulling power, better fuel efficiency, and effortless cruising without needing to rev the engine too high. Whether you're accelerating from a stop or hauling a heavy load, this bore and stroke configuration ensures the engine delivers power smoothly and efficiently. One key to the 2.0 HDI engine's durability lies in its well-engineered timing belt system and sturdy crankshaft. The timing belt ensures precise synchronization between the camshaft and crankshaft, optimizing combustion efficiency and engine longevity. Regular replacement, typically around 100,000 miles, 160,000 kilometers, is crucial to prevent costly failures. Meanwhile, the forged steel crankshaft enhances strength and reliability, allowing the engine to handle high torque output while maintaining smooth performance. One of the biggest strengths of the 2.0 HDI engine is its impressive fuel efficiency, ranging from 42 to 64 miles per gallon, depending on the vehicle and driving conditions. Of course, fuel economy varies based on factors like driving style, road conditions, and vehicle weight. Highway cruising at a steady speed delivers the best efficiency, while stop-and-go city driving or aggressive acceleration can push consumption towards the higher end. Still, compared to many petrol engines of similar size, 2.0 HDI remains a fuel-sipping champion. Now, some versions of the 2.0 HDI operate with a compression ratio of 18:1, which is quite high compared to petrol engines. Diesel engines rely on high compression to ignite the fuel rather than using spark plugs, and this higher ratio leads to better thermal efficiency, improved fuel economy, and more power output. However, this also means the engine components must be stronger and more durable to handle the increased pressure inside the cylinders. This explains why diesel engines like the 2.0 HDI often last much longer than their petrol counterparts when properly maintained. Let's take a look at some of the cars that run on this engine. The Peugeot 206 equipped with the 2.0 HDI 90 horsepower engine is a fantastic example of how this diesel unit performs in a compact car. With a top speed of 112 miles per hour, it delivers enough power for daily commuting and highway cruising while maintaining excellent fuel economy. This lightweight car benefits from the torquey nature of the 2.0 HDI, making it easier to drive in the city and fun on open roads. Its responsive nature ensures that whether you're darting through traffic or taking on a long road trip, the Peugeot 206 remains a practical and efficient choice. Moving up inside is the Peugeot 406 demonstrates how well the 2.0 HDI engine works in a mid-size sedan. With a 0 to 60 miles time in 12.2 seconds, it's not a sports car, but it provides smooth acceleration and effortless cruising, which is exactly what you want from a family sedan. Long highway drives are where this engine shines. The ample torque ensures relaxed cruising, and its fuel efficiency keeps running costs low. Whether you're driving through the city or covering long distances, the Peugeot 406 with the 2.0 HDI engine offers a refined and economical driving experience. For those who want a bit more punch, the Peugeot 407 with the 136 HP version of the 2.0 HDI delivers a 0 to 60 mile per hour time of just 9.3 seconds and a top speed of 129 miles per hour. This makes it noticeably quicker than its predecessors, providing a more engaging and responsive driving experience. Thanks to its higher power output, the Peugeot 407 feels lively and confident on highways, allowing for quick overtakes and enjoyable long-distance driving. This is proof that the 2.0 HDI can be tuned not just for efficiency, but also for performance. The 2.0 HDI engine isn't just limited to a few models. It's been a key player across the Peugeot and Citroën lineup. Whether in compact hatchbacks, mid-sized sedans, or even commercial vans, this engine has proven its reliability and adaptability over the years. Its blend of fuel efficiency, low-end torque, and durability has made it a go-to choice for many car buyers. Peugeot and Citroën have continued to refine and improve the engine, ensuring that it remains one of the best diesel options on the market. Interestingly, the 2.0 HDI engine was also used by Ford, where it was rebadged as the Duratorq TDCi. This shows how versatile and well-engineered this power plant is. When two major automakers collaborate on an engine, you know it's something special. Ford uses this engine in models like the Mondeo, and Focus shows its reputation for reliability, efficiency, and solid performance. Whether badged as HDI or Duratorq, this engine remains one of the most respected diesel powertrains out there. The 2.0 HDI engine runs on diesel fuel, and that's a big part of its appeal. Diesel engines generally offer better fuel economy compared to gasoline engines thanks to diesel's higher energy density. This means you get more mileage per liter, making the 2.0 HDI a cost-effective choice for both daily drivers and long-distance travelers. Some versions of the 2.0 HDI engine are fitted with a particle emissions filter. also known as a diesel particulate filter. This traps and removes soot particles from the exhaust, significantly reducing harmful emissions. While diesel engines are often criticized for their emissions, the FAP system helps keep the 2.0 HDI cleaner and more environmentally friendly. However, regular maintenance is key. If the filter gets clogged, it can affect performance and fuel economy. When it comes to CO2 emissions, diesel engines often outperform gasoline ones, and the 2.0 HDI is no exception. While actual emission levels vary depending on the vehicle model and tuning, this diesel powertrain is generally more efficient, producing less carbon dioxide per mile compared to many petrol engines of similar power. Manufacturers list CO2 emission figures as part of the vehicle specs, allowing environmentally conscious drivers to make smarter, more sustainable choices. Some versions of the 2.0 HDI meet Euro 4 emission standards, which were designed to cut down on air pollution. These regulations limit harmful emissions like nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, carbon monoxide, and hydrocarbons, pushing manufacturers to use advanced catalytic converters and particulate filters. As emission laws tighten, newer 2.0 HDI engines evolve to comply with even stricter norms. The latest versions meet BSVI 2.0 standards, India's equivalent of Euro 6, showcasing the ongoing improvement in fuel efficiency and emission control. At its heart, the 2.0 HDI uses an inline 4-cylinder layout, a common and proven engine design. By arranging all 4 cylinders in a straight line, this configuration offers a great balance between performance, fuel efficiency, and smooth operation. The compact size of an inline 4 engine makes it easy to fit into different vehicles, from compact hatchbacks to larger sedans and SUVs. Plus, it keeps manufacturing costs lower, making the 2.0 HDI an affordable yet capable engine. To boost performance and efficiency, some versions of the 2.0 HDI come equipped with a single turbocharger and an intercooler. The turbocharger forces more air into the engine, allowing for greater power output without increasing fuel consumption. Meanwhile, the intercooler cools the compressed air, making it denser for better combustion efficiency. The result: stronger acceleration, improved throttle response, and better overall performance, all while keeping fuel economy in check. The turbo intercooler setup makes the 2.0 HDI a solid performer without sacrificing efficiency. Later versions of the 2.0 HDI utilize high-pressure direct injection technology, which precisely controls fuel delivery for improved power, efficiency, and emissions. This system injects fuel directly into the combustion chamber at extremely high pressure, ensuring better atomization and complete combustion. But what exactly are its benefits? More power, cleaner emissions, and improved fuel economy. Plus, this precise fuel control reduces noise and vibration, making the engine smoother and quieter compared to older diesel units. One of the reasons the 2.0 HDI engine stands out is its advanced fuel injection technology, and reduced diameter injectors play a big role in this. These injectors deliver fuel in a finer mist, ensuring better atomization and a more complete burn inside the cylinders. This results in more power, better fuel efficiency, and lower emissions. By improving the way fuel mixes with air, these injectors help the engine extract every bit of energy from the diesel, reducing waste and keeping performance sharp. This is part of a constant refinement of diesel technology, making engines cleaner and more efficient than ever before. Some versions of the 2.0 HDI use a Bosch second-generation common rail injection system. And if you're into diesel tech, you know this is a game changer. This system pushes fuel into the injectors at an insane 1600 bar of pressure, ensuring precise, fine-tuned combustion. What does that mean for the driver? Smoother power delivery, better fuel economy, and fewer emissions. The common rail system allows the engine to respond quicker to throttle inputs while keeping things refined and quiet. Thanks to Bosch's engineering, the 2.0 HDI meets strict emission standards without sacrificing performance. But not all diesel engines are noisy and rough, at least not the 2.0 HDI. Thanks to multiple injection techniques, some versions of this engine fire up to 6 injections per combustion cycle. Instead of dumping all the fuel at once, this system spreads out the injections, making combustion smoother, quieter, and more efficient. This tech reduces engine noise and vibration, which is great if you love a refined driving experience. It also helps with fuel economy and emissions, making the 2.0 HDI one of the cleanest diesels in its class. Now, the early 8-valve versions of the 2.0 HDI were built differently. Unlike later versions, they didn't use a dual-mass flywheel, which is typically used to absorb engine vibrations. Instead, they had a dual-mass crank pulley, a clever alternative that helped keep vibrations under control and ensured a smooth, durable engine operation. While these older engines lacked some of the modern refinements, they were still built to last, with features designed to reduce wear and improve longevity. If you're ever swapping injectors in a 2.0 HDI, you might come across an odd little challenge. Some versions require injector programming, while others don't. Programming injectors ensures that each one is delivering the exact right amount of fuel at the right time, optimizing performance, emissions, and efficiency. Some mechanics claim they've swapped injectors without programming and had no issues, but it's always recommended to program them properly. Skipping this step can lead to rough running, lower efficiency, and even long-term engine damage. When it comes to modern diesel tech, precision is everything. The 2.0 HDI may not be a racing legend, but its tuned potential is seriously impressive. A single rev map can take a stock 138 HP version to 170 horsepower, while some enthusiasts push it even further, 250 horsepower, and a Peugeot RCZ. One modified Peugeot 406 even hit 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 9 seconds. Proving this diesel isn't just about economy, it's got serious performance potential. Every engine needs proper lubrication. And for most 2.0 HDI versions, this means that 4.75 liters of engine oil. Keeping up with regular oil changes, using the correct grade of oil is essential for reducing friction, preventing wear, and keeping the engine running smoothly. Ignoring oil changes can lead to increased engine wear, overheating, and potential failure. So it's always good practice to stick to the recommended service intervals. A well-maintained 2.0 HDI can run for hundreds of thousands of kilometers without breaking a sweat. Diesel engines generate a lot of heat, and keeping them cool is critical. In most 2.0 HDI engines, the coolant capacity is around 6.3 liters. This coolant circulates through the engine, absorbing excess heat and dissipating it via the radiator. Regularly checking the coolant levels and ensuring the system is free from leaks can prevent overheating and serious engine damage. A well-maintained cooling system means your 2.0 HDI stays efficient and reliable, even on the hottest days. Peugeot has a history of producing standout cars, and the 2.0 HDI engine played a big role in that success. Peugeot 307 was crowned Car of the Year in 2002, praised as the cleanest diesel in its segment. The Peugeot 208 followed, winning Car of the Year 2020 for its efficient engines. Meanwhile, the stylish Peugeot RCZ earned the title of Best Used Sports Car in the Diesel Car Used Car Top 50 rankings. So whether it's performance, efficiency, or design, Peugeot knows how to create winners. What do you think about the 2.0 HDI? Have you owned or driven a car with this legendary engine? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that subscribe button for more engine deep dives. Check out this next video where we uncover 10 legendary diesel truck engines built to last a lifetime.